You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that I know a lot of people get confused by, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. If you want to learn more English pronunciation, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Heutagogy, that's British English pronunciation here. Heutagogy. Now, the Americans will use a flap T that sounds like a D, so Heutagogy, American pronunciation. This is the theory and practice of self-determined learning that focuses on the importance of knowing how to learn as a key skill for the 21st century. Heutagogy or Heutagogy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.